Making your vehicles and dealerships stand out from others on listing sites like Need a Car and Auto Trader is an important part of any dealership's marketing. Luckily, Motorcentral has a couple of easy-to-use tools that help achieve this, these being image overlays and image posters. In this video, we'll take you through how to manage your image overlays and image posters and cover topics like what are image overlays and image posters, how to add image overlays and image posters to your library, how to apply and remove image overlays and image posters across your stock, how to preview image overlays and posters inside Motorcentral, how to add an image overlay or image poster to an individual vehicle, how to exclude image overlays and image posters in an export, and how to add image overlays and image posters by default when adding a new vehicle. Image overlays are graphics that go over top of your normal vehicle images. An image overlay might include your company logo, partner logos, offers, and other branding related to your dealership. Like any form of branding, these can help build trust and familiarity with your customers as they browse amongst thousands of cars. Image posters are promotional graphics used in place of one of your vehicle photos. They can be static, promoting your dealership or a vehicle, or dynamic, where they can display data you've previously entered about that vehicle, such as pricing and vehicle features. They can even calculate weekly finance repayments for you, which change automatically if you change the retail price. If you're interested in getting an image overlay or image poster designed for your dealership, email support@motorcentral.co.nz. To add an image overlay to your library, navigate to Tools and select Image Overlays and Add. You'll need to give the overlay a name, upload the image, select the location where you'd like the overlay to appear on top of your vehicle image, select a margin and the relative size of the overlay in comparison to the vehicle image it will be placed on. We advise you experiment with the options here until you are happy with how your overlay looks on top of your vehicle image. To add an image poster to your library, navigate to Tools and select Image Poster and Add. You'll need to give the image poster a name and you have the option to give it a description. Once you have done this, launch the poster designer and upload your background image. From here, you can add an image or text on top of your poster. Note that the image poster is designed to be 800 pixels wide and 600 pixels high. To find out more on how to create an image poster, search Using Vehicle Image Posters in our support section. To access your library of image overlays and image posters, navigate to Tools. Here you will see image overlays and image posters. Let's start with image overlays. You can choose to apply an image overlay to only the first of your vehicle photos or to all. You can also decide whether to apply an overlay to vehicles on an individual basis or across all your vehicles in stock in one go. To apply an image overlay across all of your stock so that it appears only on the first image of every vehicle, right-click on the image overlay and select Apply Image Overlay into Vehicle First Image and then select Yes to confirm. Please give Motorcentral a few minutes to process this action. Once complete, each of your vehicles in stock will have that image overlay automatically applied to their first photo. Note that this will replace any previously selected overlays you may have applied to a vehicle. You can also choose to apply an image overlay to all the other vehicle images across your stock, i.e. from the second image onwards. This process follows similar steps as we just covered. Right-click on the image overlay and select Apply Image Overlay, and then to Vehicle Other Images, and then select Yes to confirm. If you would like to remove an image overlay across all vehicles, right-click on the image overlay and select Clear Image Overlays, and choose either for Vehicle First Image or Other Images, depending on how that image overlay had been applied. Again, please give Motorcentral a few minutes to process this action. Once complete, these vehicles will no longer have an image overlay applied to them. Now we will look at image posters, which follow similar steps as the image overlays. Right-click on the image poster you want to apply across all of your vehicles and select Add Image Poster to all vehicles. And then Yes to confirm. As mentioned earlier, image posters are added as an image along with the other photos of your vehicle. When applying your image poster in bulk, it will always be added as the last vehicle image. Note that the maximum amount of images on a vehicle is 20, so if any vehicle already currently has 20 images, then the poster will not be added. If you want to remove an image poster from all of your vehicles, right-click on the image poster you want to clear from your vehicles and select Remove Image Poster from all vehicles, and yes to confirm. You can preview your image overlays inside Motorcentral by opening up a vehicle and double-clicking on the vehicle's image. We suggest previewing these to ensure they look presentable. Use the arrows to scroll through the vehicle images and use the Show Overlays tick box to preview what the image looks like with and without the image overlay. You can also do this through the Images tab by double-clicking on any vehicle to preview the applied image overlay. You can also preview the applied image posters inside the Images tab. Double-click on them to preview at full size. Please note, image overlays will not be applied over the top of an image poster. In some cases, you may only want specific vehicles to display a particular image poster or image overlay. For example, you could be running a promotion that only applies to a few of your vehicles in stock. This can be managed within each vehicle inside the Images tab. To apply an image overlay to a specific vehicle, use the First Image and Other Images drop-down boxes in the Image Overlay section to select the overlay you would like to use. To add an image poster to the vehicle, use the drop-down arrow next to the Add Images button and select the poster you'd like to apply. The poster will be applied as the last image, but you can click and drag this to reposition if you prefer. Click Save and Close to save your changes. If you don't want your overlays to display across all listing sites that your vehicles are listed on, you can opt to exclude them. For example, you may only want your image overlays to display on Auto Trader and Need a Car, but to be excluded from displaying on your website and TradeMe. To exclude image overlays from an export, go to the Export tab. For this example, we will use my website. Click on the Admin tab and untick Export Image Overlays and Save Settings. Next time an export is run, the image overlays will be excluded. For the TradeMe Motors export option, you will find options to exclude both image overlays and image posters. This is to accommodate TradeMe's current advertising guidelines. Note that the option to exclude image posters is only available on the TradeMe export. For new vehicles added to stock, you can choose to have your image overlays and image posters loaded by default. This is managed through Vehicle Templates. Navigate to Tools and select Vehicle Templates. Double-click to open the selected template and click Edit Vehicle Settings. Go to the Images tab and add the image posters and image overlays you would like to be automatically applied when adding a new vehicle to stock. Once you have selected these, hit Save and Close and Finish. And there you have it, an easy way to increase branding and promotion through the use of your vehicle photos. We hope this video covers everything you need to know about managing your image overlays and image posters. If you have any questions whatsoever, please contact our support team.